Hi everyone, and welcome back. Welcome back to our English acquiring and topic discussing channel. Yes, from this video on, we are going to start a few videos. I think three or more videos about global problems, climate change or ecological issues. Yes, immediately let's start our first video of this three or four videos. Okay. On Earth, yeah. What on Earth is happening on Earth? The second on Earth is normal, yes, on our Earth. But what on Earth? How on Earth? Where on Earth? Why on Earth? This is an idiomatic expression. Yes, for example, what on earth are you doing? Yes, what on earth are you doing? What on earth are you going? Yes, what on earth did you buy? Yeah, or how on earth can you speaking like this? Yes, how on earth can you speaking like this? Okay. Uh, Now there are two questions. Why on earth? Yeah. Why on earth are we polluting the earth? Although we don't like it, we don't love it, although we say that it is ugly, it is wrong, yes, it is dangerous, yes. Why on earth are we polluting the earth? Every place on earth is affected by the sun. What does it mean? What on earth is going on? Yes. Every place on earth is affected by the sun. Yeah, okay, of course, sun is one of the most important components of our nature, of our planet. Okay, now this time I asked ChatGPT to write a poem of 8 lines inspired from the fact that it's impossible to find a planet like our planet Earth. Yes, this it is really like a diamond. Yes, for example, think about, imagine the deep space and galaxies and compare all of them to our planet. For example, here is water, here is sun, yes, here is soil, trees, gazelles, birds. So are there any other places like our planet in the space? Okay, nobody knows it, and we know, but for certain we know that our planet is unique. Yes. Okay. Yes, ChatGPT wrote this poem. 8 lines. So 4 plus 8. Okay. In this boundless cosmos, a treasure rare, our earth a gem, a diamond, an emerald, beyond compare. With oceans deep and skies so blue, a planet where life thrives and dreams come true. Infinite stars in the cosmic ballet, yet Earth's beauty still to display, a unique heaven, our place of birth, no planet like it in all the universe grit. Okay, excellent. Now, global view. Global truth may mean something which is true and suitable everywhere. What may a global view mean? So, global view may mean viewing, the happenings and things uh, through a global wide perspective, of course, without denying the local and individual or the other scientific, ethical, artistic perspectives. Yes, here is the answer, in fact. Global view, perspective may mean broad, general, encyclopedic, and universal view. What does global warming mean? Yes, when it comes to global warming, it is, of course, it makes us sad. Yes, unhappy. Unfortunately, there is global warming because of our wrongdoings. Yes, what does global warming mean? Let's see, I think there is the explanation of it. The greenhouse effect. Yeah, they say that, as you know, it's a matter of greenhouse effect, like this. If heat inside the greenhouse can't get away, the greenhouse gets warmer and warmer. So let's compare this metaphor, or let's shift this metaphor into reality. What happens to our planet if the heat inside of it cannot get away from it? So it gets warmer and warmer. It means that, so in short, it means that heat comes like this from the sun. Heat comes to our earth, but cannot get away from our earth because of pollution, etc., etc. Air pollution, water pollution. Okay, yeah, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Okay, what problems of our globe do you care about? That there is, the fact that there is air pollution is a fact. Isn't it a fact that there is water pollution? Sure, it's a fact that there is also water pollution. Isn't it a fact that there is land pollution? Of course, there is also land pollution, unfortunately. Air quality awareness. Air quality awareness. Yes, we should have that awareness. And we need quality air. It's an alarming fact. Now, it is, I really advise you to repeat that kind of expressions again and again. For example, it's a fact that, or it's an alarming fact that, it's an important fact that, it's a surprising fact that, it's a scientific fact that, yes, it's a sociological fact that, it's a biological fact that, it's an alarming fact that people are polluting the air. What is another alarming fact? Another alarming fact is that, another alarming fact is that we are throwing away a lot of shoes, boots, etc. Now let's read it. It's also okay. Dialogue 5. It's the surprising fact that, for example, it's the surprising fact that we are throwing away a lot of shoes, boots, etc. What is another surprising fact? It's another surprising fact that pollution and greenhouse gases cause global warming. Yeah, this is also a fact. Pollution and greenhouse gases cause global warming. What causes acid rain, floods, and deforestation? Of course, global warming causes acid rain, floods, and deforestation. How does deforestation lead to floods and drought? By means of global warming. For example, ice caps in the poles melts, and water increases, the sea level increases, rises. Okay, temperature increases. Okay, of course, we, in fact, we cause deforestation. Do you believe in the idea waste not, want not? Which means if one is not wasteful, then one or that person will not be needy. Yes, it's really a good opinion. Waste not, want not. If you don't waste, it means that you will always have enough of something to eat, to drink, to spend. Yes. Let me read the image first. Natural resources are being depleted at an alarming rate. Depleted, decreasing, decreased, being decreased. Natural resources are being depleted at an alarming rate, with 90 billion natural resources being exhausted every year. Okay. Rainforests have been depleted over the last few years, have been depleted by us, by human beings. Are they still being depleted? Yes, unfortunately, they are still being depleted, but there is the awareness that they should, or we should plant new trees. Okay, it's also good news. What else has been being depleted recent years? What else has been being depleted recent years? Agricultural land has been being depleted recent years. Fish populations have been being depleted recent years. Freshwater resources have been being depleted recent years. Okay, lately. I take the pollution very seriously because it's a very serious matter. What can be said about noise pollution, visual sight or light pollution, and mind pollution? Yes, of course, they should be taken seriously as well, especially, I think, the source of all pollutions is the mind pollution, because if people have a clear mind, they cannot pollute the environment. They keep the cleanliness of the environment. Okay. Is visual pollution a scientific or an artistic issue? What abilities of us does it impair, damage? Yeah, this is really interesting. For example, why is it like this instead of being like this? Yes, when it is like the one on the right, so we can see, we can observe the shining, twinkling stars. This is the best form of it. And they call this a light pollution. Yeah, visual pollution, light pollution. This is also a problem issue. Litter, deforestation, acid rain. Yeah, these are the problems of our planet. Litter, deforestation, acid rain, pollution of air, water, land, the greenhouse effect, oil slicks, new diseases, disappearing natural resources, some animals facing extinction, some plants facing extinction, are some environmental issues. Who cause those global problems? Does nature pollute itself? Of course, no. Nature does not pollute itself. So the human beings cause those global problems. At least we should try to stop polluting the environment, the nature. So of course we should also try to keep the nature clean, and so together nature and we can have a clean atmosphere, a clean planet. Nothing, I am reading the image, nothing in the nature lives for itself. Yeah, really meaningful. Rivers don't drink their own water. Trees don't eat their own fruit. The sun doesn't shine for itself. A flower's fragrance is not for itself. Living for each other is the rule of nature. Yes, this is coexistence. We should coexist. Yes, we should coexist together. Okay, really interesting and meaningful. It's impossible to find a planet like ours. Environmentally friendly, eco-friendly, sustainable, recyclable. Yes, do you see those beautiful expressions? They are really beautiful. They sound beautiful. Recyclable, biodegradable, renewable, organic, greens, eco-warriors are some environmental good expressions, positive expressions. Aren't they also cherishing principles? Yes, they are really cherishing principles. And I produced, I think these are original, those two mottos. This belongs to me. Our cherished planet and its cherishing residents will coexist, will always coexist. Jams protect jams. Yes, jams protect jams. Why? Because jam is also used for human beings, for individuals. If a person is a jam, that person protects the jam planet. Yes, the beautiful planet. Okay, the other, paper only. It's impossible to find a planet like ours, the privileged planet. Yeah, our planet is really privileged with its oceans, rivers, mountains, plains, valleys. Yes, tigers, pandas, and people, of course, with its all residents, habitants. Yes, habitants, habitat, habitat, habitants. Okay, now this is the second part. Sorry. Will you write a poem of 8 lines inspired from 8 lines? A second poem from ChatGPT. It's impossible to find, but this time it's only about the theme of it will be it's impossible to find a planet like our planet Earth. Okay, let's listen to ChatGPT. In the vast cosmic sea, a gem of priceless worth, a planet unique, our cherished home called Earth. With oceans, forests, deserts, and mountains that soar, a biosphere teeming with life we can't ignore. From sunrise to sunset, it's a breathtaking sight. I wonder, a world of wonder in the day and the night. Let's cherish, treasure. Let's value. Let's know the value. Yes. Let's cherish, protect, and give it all we are worth, for there is no planet like our precious Earth. Okay. Now, this is the end of our presentation today. So, I hope it will be useful and see you next time. Bye for now.